South Asian style beef chapli kebabs in your air fryer. Call it delicious beef patties. It's a delicious ground beef patties which you can make in your air fryer under 20 to 25 minutes of your time.
Mair born hungry is delicious.
What's up? Welcome back. My name is Mair. You're watching Mair Born Hungry YouTube channel. Here I have organic ground beef. You will need ground beef for this. You will need some onions, some ginger, some tomato, some garlic, some chili, and delicious home ingredients. Very easy. Salt, black pepper, cumin, coriander, red chili. This is optional. Cornstarch and stone fire naan breads. Easy to do, full of flavors. Let's get into it. This is 1 pound. It says 85% of the lean meat and 15% of the fat. You can do 90-10, but it comes mostly dry, so use 15 to 85 ratio. It goes in here. Thick food processor, it makes life easy because we need to chop our onion. We will chop at least 20 grams of fresh ginger, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. So we need to chop these guys up. The best part is take food processor. It will make life so easy. So this is medium size white onion. Here goes the garlic, a block of ginger, some chilies, but it will give the fresh flavor. Or you can add the bell pepper in there as well if you don't want to do the green chilies. Let's process this. Here you go, the processed onion, ginger, garlic, and the chili. They go all in here. Now let's season this with some dry spices. For the flavors, half tablespoon of the salt, half tablespoon of the black pepper powder, red chili, half tablespoon. You can do quarter or you can skip the red chili if you're not fan of it. Take half tablespoon of the cumin, 1 whole tablespoon of the coriander crushed. Last but not least, cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of the cornstarch. The marinade, the batter marinade is done. Mix this guy up. Mix it at least for 5 minutes from the hands, and here you go. Your delicious batter is completely ready. And just form patties from the hand, and that's what it is. So easy, right? Let's turn on our air fryer. The air fryer, let's turn it on, put it on air crisp. Time should be 20 minutes for it. It's on the pre. Let's make some patties now. Slice a tomato first. Use your hands, it comes mostly nice. I just butter sprayed my hand. Take the meat, make first 4 balls out of it. Easy way to do. There should be even 4 balls, meatball. Just distribute the meat evenly. Here are our 4 delicious chapli kebab balls, meatballs. Air fryer is open. Take some more butter spray on your hand, just like this. Grab the patty, press it from the top, fix the edges. Don't make it too thin, so just have a balance to the edges all the way around. And take the tomato, add it on top. It will keep the meat moist. Okay, so add it right here, tomato on top. Let's do the other one. You can put this patty once it's ready in a bun, enjoy it, but try this with the stone fire naan bread. Here you go. They all are in here. 1 pound of the ground beef is in here. We have made delicious, easy to do at home. Weekday, make this recipe. You will love it. Let's close this. Forget about it for 20 minutes, and then I'll see you with the taste test and the serving. This is after 20 minutes. This is the last 10 seconds to go. I have heated up stone fire naan, spread some sliced onion. This is the recipe now. Ta-da! Here you go. This is the moment of truth. Wow! Ground beef, delicious chapli kebab, beef patties. This is the moment of truth. Let's grab one. I hope it comes out easy, and that's what it is, my friend. Delicious. delicious,
Don't come and try to share some
charred,
like no. Give me a
still sizzling, added on top of your naan breads. And here's the second.
gotta make sure you know how to shake it like
This is the easiest recipe you can make in your air fryer. This is how you can make your delicious ground beef chapli kebabs in your air fryer.
Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it, yeah. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it. Bring a friend and come along.
This is the taste test. Wow. Fantastic. Damn it. This is the delicious chapli kebab, ground beef chapli kebab recipe you can make in your air fryer. It's steaming hot. Here you go. First bite.
So excited, hopping the Mercedes.
So awesome. You just need to put this in here, fold it. If you want onions, squeeze fresh lemon juice.
It's a vibe out, cooling it for the weekend. You gon' find out once you come on and breathe.
Wow, flavorful, delicious. You can call it healthy. It's not deep fried. This is so good, my friend. In 25 minutes, you can make this delicious chapli kebab beef patties in your air fryer. Serve it on a naan bread. Serve it, just put it in your burger bun and you will be happy. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Really yum. Crispy, check this. Juicy, yummy from the inside.
Delicious.
Look at this. Look at this. Fully cooked. Yum. Man, this is so good.
Mair born hungry is delicious. 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 Mair born hungry. Mair born hungry. Mair born hungry. Mair born hungry. Mair born hungry.